Hello, Alan Langston with AZREIA. I want to show you two quick charts as relates to what may be happening with pricing in 2016 and what actually happened with pricing in 2015. So let's take a look here. And CoreLogic just published this data in January. So we're looking at full year, January through December data, which I think is important to look at it on a full year perspective. And you can see on the left side of this chart in 2015 for the full 12 months, Arizona actually increased in pricing across the entire state 5.6% based on CoreLogic's housing price index. And that ranked us 13th in year-over-year price change. And projected for 2016, you can see CoreLogic has Arizona real estate projected to rise at 7.3%, which will rank us fourth in 2016. We'll be behind California, Florida, and believe it or not, New Hampshire. Now, another important fact here is this is both for distressed and non-distressed property. Of course, throughout Arizona, most of our distressed inventory is cleared up. So one more thing I want to show is a comparison with the actual total U.S. So you can see here in 2015, the U.S. actually grew at a faster rate price-wise than we did in Arizona, but we are projected to outperform the rest of the U.S. by a significant margin. That's about a 35% difference in percentages there over 2016. So what does this mean to you as an investor? Well, to net it out on two very important topics. One, if you are buying and holding, so you have rental property, this would indicate a significant increase in participation in general. Every property is different, but in general for 2016. So this is going to contribute heavily to the wealth building aspects of your real estate. If you are a rehabber, so you're rehabbing and reselling the property, this should give you some sort of confidence on that pricing is going to continue to grow. And so this gives you a little more room between the time you buy it and the time you sell it, that prices will be increasing somewhat during your hold period. Now, of course, every property stands on its own, but this is generically across our entire market. So it's looking like we can look for some pretty significant increases in our prices. And this comes with the same disclaimer as I always give. Pricing is a lagging indicator. It is very difficult to project, and I caution whether you believe anything outside maybe a 35-day projection on pricing, because things can change rather rapidly. We have the AZREIA meeting coming up on Monday, and there we'll be doing our full market update, 80-plus slides, and we're going to be looking at pricing from several different aspects, not just CoreLogic, but some local sources as well, to draw some conclusions on how it's going to impact your real estate investing in 2016. Thank you.